Tonight in the workshop, we will again be working on our vintage Marin. We're going to be fitting headsets, forks, stems and bars. So we've got a wonderful mix of really good components, really cheap nasty components, and some of our deep custom classic components. It's a total hodgepodge. But that's what this bike is. What we've got available and without spending a whole lot of bank. But what it's going to be different, it's going to be unique, but it's going to be fun. So let's start throwing some of these components on this frame and see how we go. Thanks for watching and for coming along in the next step in the Marin's journey. After this, it's brakes. We're probably going to have to get the files and heavy metal out to do a little bit of hacksmanship to get that caliper to fit just where we want it on that rear rotor. But I don't think it's going to take much fettling, and then we'll have proper discs front and back. And with proper suspension and proper brakes, this is going to feel like a completely different ride. Thanks for watching and happy trails.